Hello guys, it's Dave here with the daily levels commentary for the 16th of May 2017. Let's start with the euro dollar. As you can see, it's under strong buying pressure right now, but unfortunately there aren't any viable levels that I'd like in the immediate area. So for that reason, I only have one long level right there at 0871. The reason behind that level is this very long sideways price action in which very heavy volumes were accumulated. You can see the volumes right there. So this is the place where most of the volumes were accumulated before the strong up move. So I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those guys that were placing their volumes right there and afterwards pushing the price higher will become aggressive, defending their position and push the price higher. Let's go into the Australian dollar, US dollar. There are two pretty viable levels to trade from today. There is a long level at 73.99. The reason behind that level is this sideways price action that was followed by strong buying activity, indicating strong buyers were accumulating their volumes right there at this volume cluster. So I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those strong buyers will defend their positions and push the price higher. Our second level is a short level from 74.42. And the reason behind that level is this sideways price action that was followed by sell-off, and you can see that the volumes were accumulating right there. I think that the volumes were volumes of strong sellers that pushed the price lower. So if there is a pullback to this area, I think that those sellers will defend their positions and push the price lower once more. Let's go into the US dollar, Canadian dollar. There was a nice trade at the start of European session today. I took a profit there and I hope you guys took the profit with me. As far as today's levels are concerned, there are two viable short levels and one long level. The first short level is at 36.43, and the reason behind that level is this accumulation of volumes. You can see the volumes right there. There is a point of control of the day. The heaviest volumes of the day were accumulating there. You can see that there was a rejection of higher prices and selling activity, indicating that strong sellers were accumulating their positions there. So I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those sellers that were accumulating their volumes there will push the price lower once more. Our second short level is at 36.80 right there, and the reason behind that level is this sideways price action in which this volume cluster was created. Now this volume cluster may not seem that significant, but you can also see that there was a strong support zone and that the price bounced 3 times from that level. So it was a strong support zone, and after that the price blew through that support zone, making it a strong resistance zone. So for that reason, for those two reasons, I think that it's a very strong level, and if there is a pullback to this level, I think that the strong sellers that pushed the price through that strong support zone will become aggressive again and push the price lower once more. There is also one pretty viable long level. It's a quite old level from 35.80, and the reason behind that level is this sideways price action followed by rejection of lower prices that was followed by strong buying activity. This indicates strong buyers were accumulating their positions there and pushing the price higher. So if there is a pullback to this area, I think that the buyers that were accumulating their positions right there at the sideways price action will become aggressive again and push the price higher. Unfortunately, the trading view doesn't allow me to show profile for this area, but the volumes were accumulated right there. Let's go into the US dollar, Japanese yen. There was a profit trade recently. I took a profit there and I hope you guys got it too. As far as today's levels are concerned, there is only one viable level to trade from. It's a long level from 113.07. The reason behind that level is this sideways price action in which this volume cluster was created. I think that this volume cluster was created by strong buyers that were adding to their long positions, pushing the price higher. So I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those buyers will become aggressive, defending their positions and pushing the price higher once more. So guys, those are today's intraday levels. I look forward to seeing you next time, and until then I wish you happy trading.